Regional Queensland had pretty good price growth in 2024, but I'm predicting we'll have an even better year in 2025. There's mounting evidence that the combined weight of internal migrants moving to Queensland and investors increasingly pivoting from Western Australia to Queensland will drive significant price uplift this year. In 2024, according to PropTrack figures, the median house price for regional Queensland increased 10%, which is well above the national average of 4% and better than our three biggest cities, but was slightly below the level of growth achieved in regional South Australia and regional Western Australia, which both increased about 13% last year. Across the unit markets, regional Queensland rose about 7%, which again was better than the national average of 3%, but below the level of growth achieved in both South Australia and Western Australia. But 2025 shapes as being even better for regional Queensland. I recently completed an analysis of the major residential property markets of the nation to determine which jurisdictions would likely have the best price uplift this year, and this ranked regional Queensland number one amongst the regional markets across the states and territories, and better than most of the capital cities as well. Other factors that may boost property markets in Queensland this year include a recent change of state government with some new incentives coming into the Queensland market, as well as the recent reduction in interest rates, although this won't have any major influence. So overall, we expect regional Queensland to be among the best performers in the nation this year. Queensland continues to receive more benefit from internal migration than any other state or territory, and increasingly is being targeted also by investors. Regional Queensland has an array of regional centres that offer affordable prices, attractive rental yields and growth local economies, boosted in many cases by a significant infrastructure spend. Now, this is a recipe for price growth, and we expect ongoing uplift in many of these regional centres, including Toowoomba, Bundaberg, Mackay, Gladstone, Rockhampton, Cairns, Townsville and the Whitsundays, as well as smaller centres including Gatton and Kingaroy. Buyers should keep in mind, however, that many of these regional Queensland locations are being heavily targeted by both home buyers and investors, and they're very competitive markets with properties selling very quickly in some cases.